The newly crushed high-grade bauxite travels rapidly along the levitated conveyor. Intense vibration from the high-grade bauxite is gravity-fed into the pressurized tank, where the caustic soda initiates the reaction. The forensic analysis confirms the precise ratio of aluminum hydroxide, silica, and iron oxides. The Process B stream of high-grade bauxite ore travels down a specialized conveyor belt towards a calcining. Process of preparation starts as the purified alumina, derived from the high-grade bauxite ore, is poured from a large, sealed container into a preheating chamber. Process B preparation continues as the ceramic-grade alumina is introduced into a high-speed ball mill, undergoing Automated guided vehicles transport massive aluminum ingots towards the hot rolling mill. A high-precision circular shear transforms the aluminum in the standardized coils. It is then secured. The partially assembled chassis moves to an automated adhesive application station. High-pressure robotic nozzles precisely dispense.
The chassis emerges from the curing oven, now fully set, and moves smoothly on an elevated conveyor. The sensor emits a focused pulse, analyzing the integrity of the bonded layer. A flashing green light confirms a perfect.
Process A utilizes synchronized human precision and advanced robotics to ensure the structural integrity and aerodynamic efficiency of the GT3 RS.
We have some minor oil canning apparent under the sweep lights.
Agreed. We'll flag it for adjustment, but the overall fit is precise.
High-pressure jets spray specialized degreasers onto the aluminum structure, removing oils and dust. Multiple synchronized robotic arms apply the vibrant lizard green base coat. The highly saturated paint sprays in a fine mist.
The robotic sprayers apply the lizard green base coat. The paint adheres flawlessly, demonstrating the specialized priming.
The intense heat accelerates the cross-linking of the ceramic clear coat polymers, hardening the paint surface. The bright lizard
The system registers the chassis location via RFID, guaranteeing precise inventory control. This showcases the environment where the aluminum oxide ceramic brake discs are designed to perform, enduring high-stress conditions during heavy braking. effortlessly. The ceramic discs rapidly shed the absorbed heat, returning to their normal gray-white color much faster than conventional steel brakes.
The consistency of the braking point was flawless. I couldn't be happier with the ceramic performance.
The ceramic material provides extreme heat resistance and significantly reduces unsprung weight for better handling.
That's impressive. Here is your order, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
The transcription will be a conversation between the mechanic and the owner, Sarot, based on the provided script.
Yeah.
The braking system engages instantly, bringing the vehicle to a rapid, controlled halt. This demonstrates the
Look at the quality of these ceramic discs. They handle the track flawlessly.
Absolutely. Their reputation for reliability is unmatched in this series.
Truly a premium component.